name's Alex. I'm the National Account Manager for Wholegood.
My name's Chris and I am the Studio Manager here in Canary Wharf for Barry's. There are 6 current Barry's Bootcamp studios in the UK. We have been in the business for 20 years. It all started in LA with a guy called Barry. He was in a nightclub and wanted to fusion this environment of being out, having a party, having a great time, but with a workout in itself. And so that's where it came from. So it's essentially a HIIT workout. So it's high intense levels of cardiovascular working out. So what we offer inside Barry's at our fuel bar is a full range of non-dairied shakes, which can range from using blueberries, strawberries, mango, banana. We also have boosters in there, so you've got spirulina, chia seeds, cinnamon, and these all help with different health benefits. So to make a shake, you start with a milk or a water base, and then you would add a protein. Either we have vanilla or chocolate, which is our in-house proteins, and then nut butters, if there's a nut butter inside that shake, and then we would go in with the frozen fruit, and then we would put that into the Vitamix blender and blend it on the specific setting that was set out for us. Vitamix blenders have performed brilliantly. They are fantastic. The jugs are fantastic for a start, the way that they are built, and they're not square. They've got curved edges, so the smoothie blends a lot faster.
So just over a year ago, we won the tender to supply Barry's Bootcamp with all of their ingredients for their fuel bar. So having worked with Barry's Bootcamp for a period of time, we identified an issue with their existing blender provider. So we then put the feelers out to try and find a suitable replacement. We chose Vitamix because of their exceptional reliability. I found Jestic very good to work with. They respond to any questions that we have in a timely manner, and they are good at getting the things out to us that we require from them. If I was asked to recommend Jestic and Vitamix, I wouldn't hesitate to. They've done everything that we've expected of them, and they're very well proven to work in the environment that they're going into.
They're easy to clean as well. They're one of the easiest blenders to clean. All the products come apart, and you can wash every single product. And I do believe that Vitamix are speedy and efficient. They're one of the best. I would definitely recommend Vitamix blenders to businesses.